everybody, this is Tim from the Tupperware Boys, and today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make a chicken or turkey dinner. Have you ever had those last minute guests or times where you just need to make a quick meal? Well, this is going to be easy and quick for you, and I'm going to show you how to make the whole thing. So Tupperware makes it easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Here we go. All right, so for ingredients, we're going to be using today a 5-pound chicken. Make sure it's thawed. I bought it from the store unthawed. We're going to use 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to use 1 large onion. Then we also have some potatoes I'm going to quarter, and those are already peeled and washed. I have about 2 to 3 cups of carrots. I'm going to be using some apple cider vinegar, some olive oil, salt, pepper, rosemary, paprika, and that's going to be for our seasoning for the chicken. All right, so you are probably asking, what am I going to be using to cook this in to make it like a Thanksgiving feast? So I'm going to be using the UltraPro. So this is an amazing product by Tupperware. It is good for the microwave as well as the oven, and can be stored in the freezer or refrigerator. So it's multi-use, and I'm going to use this to start off the chicken in the microwave for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to move that to the oven for an additional 15 minutes, and it should be done. If it's not done, I'm going to cook it a little bit longer, and then I'm going to remove the lid so that it can brown to get that nice golden brown color. So let's get this started. All right, so let's begin by mixing up the paste for the outside of the chicken. So we are going to be using the Power Chef system. This is an awesome way to blend everything up. This is for emulsifying and blending. It does have the 3-prong blade on here, and it is very sharp, so make sure not to touch those or you'll be in trouble. You also have the engine. It's a full stream engine, and that's going to power the system to chop and blend the items for the paste. All right, so let's start by quartering the onion. I'm going to put that right into the Power Chef. And let's get this half started so that we don't have so much to blend all at once. Let's put in the rest of the onion here. Next, I'm going to throw in the garlic, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, about 2 or 3 sprigs of rosemary. I'm actually going to use dried, so it's easy to crumble. 2 teaspoons of salt. And now I'm going to blend that all together. And we have our paste all ready to go. So let's start applying that to the chicken. Make sure to get some on the inside as well. Next, I'm going to just put a couple of these carrots all around the chicken. I'm going to dice up these potatoes into quarters. A few more carrots. Why not, right? And then the remainder of the paste. Just go right on top. Don't want to waste that garlic. And maybe a little bit of salt and pepper for the vegetables as well. All right, this is ready to go. So let's put this into the microwave, covered for 15 minutes. All right, oven is already heated to the 425 and the microwave has just gone off. So we are ready to transfer that over to the oven. So let's take a look. What does it look like, you ask? It is halfway done. So let's put that in the oven for another 15 minutes and then we will brown it on the top and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And while that's cooking, all right, the timer has just gone off, so let's go ahead and check the temperature of the bird. We want to make sure that it is 165 degrees or warmer on the inside. That tells us it's done. So let's see what it looks like to begin with. It's getting there. All right, so let's check the temperature here. All right, so not quite hot enough, so let's put it in for another 10 minutes. Okay, now that the temperature is above 165, we'll go ahead and take off the lid and let it brown for another 5 minutes. All right, the 5 minutes is up. Let's take this out. Yep, it's nice and ready to eat. So let's get this prepared. All right, chicken is done. It looks like all the vegetables are ready. We have stuffing and mashed potatoes as well. All right, that is all for this episode of the Tupperware Boys and cooking up a chicken dinner for you. If you like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share. We love to have our videos shared. If you have any comments of what you'd like to see, what would you like me to make a comment. Tell me if you've tried out this chicken and let me know how it tastes from your side. But I'm about to dig in. So happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays, whatever you might be celebrating. And I will see you on the next video. All right, see you later.